Haha, I'm here in New Jersey.
Ah, you made it.
Yeah,
Welcome.
hi guys.
Welcome to New Jersey.
Now, all the guys in New Jersey should be turning on their cameras. I haven't looked at the song list, so I'm wondering what you've got for us.
Well,
Sorry guys, there was like this time difference, so it took me some time to get here.
your plane
Yeah.
was late by 5 seconds. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like 6 hours time difference.
Well,
I
so
think.
I was still shopping.
in the theme of hope, we have, you see this background behind me, that's Lake Louise in Canada, in Alberta. And this song
Thought I recognized
this
it,
is
Paul.
a Canadian song called Four Strong Winds, written by a guy named Ian Tyson. He played with Sylvia. They were a folk duo in the early and mid-'60s, late '60s, called Ian and Sylvia. We're playing the Neil Young version of the song Four Strong Winds. It's about a relationship and the guy who's singing the song hoping that the relationship will happen, but not so sure it really is going to happen. So,
Take it away, guys.
all right. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Think I'll go out to Alberta. Weather's good there in the fall. Got some friends that I can go working for. Thank you. I got to say that our drummer had a little family emergency and couldn't play, so we had to practice without our drummer for this, for these two songs.
Sorry, I was a bit too late clapping.
But anyway,
that song really works without a drummer.
Yeah.
I can't tell you how much I appreciate that song. That's one of the songs that I grew up with.
Are you a Canadian?
I am a
Jonna?
Canadian.
Oh, see, I was missing all those Canadian flags. So.
we only use them so we're not associated with you guys. Anyway, we don't have time for that story.
So the next song is a gospel song called I'll Fly Away, and it was written, I think, in the 1930s by Albert Brumley. And the version that we're going to play is really based on the Alison Krauss and Gillian Welch version. Also doesn't need a drummer, but we did, with in Jamulus, though, a drummer can be really helpful for keeping it glued together, as you know.
Oh, yes. But you guys sounded great on
you.
the previous one. We have lots of great comments that came in, and especially the sound of that slide guitar.
All right, so that's
Everybody's
Ed.
really
Ed
loving
on slide. Wave Ed to the cameras for the slide guitar, and now he's on dobro. Mike is on fiddle. Steve is on bass, and Diane was on mandolin and now is on guitar for this song.
1 minute.
So
Well done, guys.
We are ready when you are.
Yeah, let's hear it.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. promise will never end. I'll fly away. I'll fly away, oh glory. I'll fly away in the morning when I die. Hallelujah, by and by. I'll fly away when I die. Hallelujah, by and by. I'll fly away.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
Appreciate it.
guys. That really brought like a touch of country and definitely hopeful, uplifting music.
Thank
When
you.
I saw that one in the set list, I thought, I know that song, I know that song, I know that song from somewhere. And of course, as soon as you started doing it, I realized where the song is from.
The movie.
Yeah,
Oh, Brother,
I've seen
Where
it in
Art
the movie,
Thou?
Oh
Yeah.
Brother, Where Art
Yes.
Thou?
Yeah.
And I'm going to challenge you guys to do A Man of Constant Sorrow.
Okay,
next
that's a
time.
deal.
Okay.
Challenge
Thank you.
accepted. Very
Thank you very much.
Let's see.
Great.
Thank you very much.
Let's bring on the next band.